This road is a very special road they made for the governor. It's coming from Miramar to Dona Paula. But several times this road has to be repaired. And now the water logging is there and nobody is taking action. My request is the concerned authorities just to take the necessary step and to repair this. See the water flooding here. This every year, this is not the first time. Every year the flooding is taking place, and I hope the government will take the concerned authority will take the necessary action to avoid this flooding. This causes great inconvenience to all the motorists. There are so many cars I have seen now. They will stop in the middle of the water, and they face too much problem. Now if you see, some water is also now entering in the houses. When both the sides, the cars are passing, the neighbors who are here, the water is entering into the houses, So it is a very immediate action the government will take. Thank you.
Your name?
My name is Abel.